Hey guys, welcome back to Potpuri Vlogs. So today I'm back with a very interesting video about my visit to Hazir, Kolkata. Hazir gives you a very unique home-based private dining experience and is famous for their beautiful romantic interiors, the amazing food, their parda biryani, lifafa biryani, matka biryani and many more. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So you have to book your seat in advance because they are very limited. They have 3 major dining sections which are theme based. The moment you enter the place, you notice the canopy area. Other than this, there are 2 other areas, the black room and the newspaper room. So this is the black room. You can see the decorations are really very pretty. They will customize the capacity according to your requirements. So you can go in small groups of 6 to 10 people and you can opt for this room, which is quite spacious and really beautifully decorated. Red balloons, fairy lights, colorful cushions, they all look amazing in the full black backdrop. Also, this is their only AC room. The other 2 rooms are non-AC, so if you go during the summers, it's preferable that you opt for this room. Moving on to the newspaper room, so this is also very interesting. The entire room from the walls to the ceiling is covered with newspapers. The decorations here are also very romantic, very cute, filled with balloons, colorful cushions, fairy lights, some green plants here and there, and of course you can customize the happy birthday or happy anniversary messages according to your requirement. Coming back to the canopy room, this is ideal for couples. As you can see, the seating capacity is only for 2 people. It is ideal for celebrating anniversaries. The most romantic area out of all 3. It almost looks like a fairy tale. I really like the decorations. So moving on to the food, which is also equally exciting. We went for the set menu. But you can order a la carte, you can order additional dishes, different kinds of biryanis, their murg musallam and much more. We started with a soup. It was a chicken clear soup which was nice and flavorful. Then came the starters. This was a beer battered fish served with a mustard kashundi dip. Then came the gondhora chicken. This was really creamy and fragrant and aromatic. I loved it. Starters ended with these chicken cocktail shots, a very unique and cute concept. It actually tasted very nice. Then of course the hero, the star, the showstopper, parda biryani. So we went for a mutton parda biryani. So the parda biryani is basically biryani wrapped in a chicken parcel. Yes, you heard it right. The outer coating which you see here, it's not maida, it's not roti, it's basically a layer of chicken inside which the biryani is prepared. The quantity of the parda biryani is absolutely perfect for 2 people. There are 2 pieces of mutton, 1 boiled egg, 1 aloo, the famous boiled potato without which Kolkata biryani is absolutely incomplete. So I was really impressed with the first look of the parda biryani. I am happy to say that the taste really matched up to my expectations. It tasted really nice. Authentic Kolkata biryani with a twist, I would say. We also ordered some soft drinks along with our biryani. This was not a part of the set menu. The meal ended with some sweet kurmi and a couple of pan. Overall, the food was really nice. The charges for the entire set menu was rupees 1500, including the decorations, 2 bottles of mineral water and the food. And this was for the non-AC rooms. For AC rooms, I think it is around rupees 1800. So I would say personally quite affordable considering the quality and quantity of food, the beautiful decorations and also the privacy and the exclusivity that you get when you come to Hazir. Please check out the description box for the Google Map link and the Facebook page link of Hazir Kolkata. Don't forget to subscribe to Potpourri Vlogs. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.